Hi free people, it's Valentina here, founder and creator of Thank You Plant-Based God, and I'm going to take you guys along with me today to show you how to make a very quick and simple, easy plant-based meal. And it's going to be some mushroom and asparagus tacos. I know that it's such an interesting pairing for a taco, but I promise you it's so filling, the textures are great, the flavors are great, and it's just a really quick, easy lunch that you can do and you'll feel great and wonderful after. Okay, so what we have here are some asparagus, which are so low in calorie and just great, packed with vitamins. It's such a great fiber alternative as well. Then we have some mushrooms, which will go great for some texture. These are also such a great source of vitamins and getting that nutritious, healthy balance through everything that you want to include in this taco. Now that we have all of our ingredients, we're gonna start chopping everything up and start cooking, which is personally my favorite part of everything because you get to smell everything. The aroma just goes around your home and it's great. It makes your tummy happy. It makes for a great happiness mood booster. A little bit about Thank You Plant-Based God. I've been plant-based for the last 2.5 years, and y'all, it has been a journey. A very hard one in the beginning, but a fulfilling one right now. And I'm so excited that I get to partner with brands like Free People to just kind of share the love that is food. I think it's so great to just let people into your kitchen and let them know the type of lifestyle and the type of food that you eat and why it's great for you and why it'll make you just feel like a greater person when you eat them.